मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण या ठिकाणी एक नवीन व्हिडिओ पाहणार आहोत. तर दॅट इज रिलेटेड विथ जी के क्वेश्चन्स इन इंग्लिश. तर पालक मित्रांनो आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अतिशय आपल्या मुलांना या ठिकाणी हा व्हिडिओ दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा, कारण तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ आपल्या पाल्यांना दाखवला तर नक्कीच आपल्या पाल्याच्या जी केमध्ये या ठिकाणी सुधारणा होणार आहे आणि त्यांच्या इंग्लिशमध्ये सुद्धा सुधारणा होणार आहे. दे विल इम्प्रूव्ह देअर इंग्लिश. सो प्लीज पे अटेन्शन अँड प्लीज सबस्क्राईब माय चॅनल अँड लाईक माय व्हिडिओ. हाऊ मेनी डेज डू वी हॅव इन अ वीक? आन्सर 7. हाऊ मेनी डेज आर देअर इन अ नॉर्मल इयर? आन्सर 365, not a leap year. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer camel. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? 21. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Answer February. Which are the vowels in the English alphabet series? A, E, I, O, U. Which animal is called the king of jungle? Lion. How many primary colors are there? 3. Red, yellow, blue. How many days are there in a month of February in a leap year? 29 days. What do you call a house made of ice? Igloo. Which is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale. Which is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Giraffe. Which festival is known as the festival of colors? Holi. Which festival is called the festival of light? Diwali. What is the top color in a rainbow? Red. What type of bird lays the largest eggs? Ostrich. Which festival is known as the festival of flowers? Onam. In which direction does the sun rise? East. Which is the world's largest flower? Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the largest flower. How many zeros are there in 100,000? 5. How many hours are there in 2 days? 48 hours. 24 plus 24, 48 hours. How many months of the year have 31 days? 7. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. How many weeks are there in 1 year? 52. Which are the colors in a rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. How many bones does an adult human have? 206. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? 10. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Sun. Which is the longest river on the earth? Nile. Which is the principal source of energy for Earth? Sun. How many lungs does the human body have? 2. What is the standard test of the water? Water is a testless. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Cheetah. Which continent is known as a dark continent? Africa. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Skin. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which day is observed as the World Environment Day? 5th June. How many years are there in a century? 100. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia by area. Who invented the computer? Charles Babbage. How many players are there in a cricket team? 11. Which day is observed as a World Literacy Day? September 8. Who is the inventor of radio? Marconi. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Tibet. How many teeth does a healthy adult have, including the wisdom teeth? 32. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. How many people are there in the world? Over 7 billion. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Africa. Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Tooth decay. How many strings does a violin have? 4. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8. Which is the hottest continent on earth? Africa. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. How many years are there in a millennium? 1000. Which country is a home to the kangaroo? Australia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who does the internet prefix www stand for? What does the internet prefix www stand for? World Wide Web. How much of Earth's surface is covered by ocean? 71. Who discovered a penicillin in 1928? Alexander Fleming. How many stars are there in American flag? 50. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Pentagon. Which way is anti-clockwise, left or right? Left. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangles have? 2. Which is the coldest location in the earth? East Antarctica. Who discovered electricity? Benjamin Franklin. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Mandarin Chinese. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Nose and ears. The largest democracy in the world? India. Who is the inventor of television? John Logie Baird. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. What color symbolizes peace? White. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. During which year did World War first begin? 1914. How many cricket World Cups does India have? 2. Global warming is caused by the excess of which types of gas? Carbon dioxide. How many cards are there in a complete packs of cards? 52. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? The Amazon. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Ghana. What makes up approximately 80% of our brain's volume? Water. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Anemometer. Stars and Stripes is the nickname of flag of which country? United States of America. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Binary language. What cover approximately 71% of the Earth's surface, land or water? Water. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Diamond. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which country gifted the United States? France. What is the name of the Greek god of music? Apollo. What does the SIM in the SIM card stand for? Subscriber Identity Module. Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the first element on the periodic table of elements? Hydrogen. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? India. What is the large joint in the human body? Knee. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Steps, ear bone. Which instrument is used to measure pressure? Barometer. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Who is the inventor of the electric bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. On whose memory Nobel Prize is awarded? Alfred Nobel. Who is the first woman to go to space? Valentina Tereshkova. What is HCl? Hydrochloric acid. What is currency of China? Renminbi. The sun sets in the west. Which is the largest mammal? Blue whale. What type of gas do plants absorb? Carbon dioxide. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Tibet. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the new 7 wonders of the world. Christ the Redeemer statue in Brazil. Chichen Itza, Machu Picchu in Peru, Petra, the Roman Colosseum, the Great Wall of China, and the Taj Mahal. How many years are there in 1 millennium? 1000 years. Name 2 of the world's ocean. Any 2 between the Pacific, the Arctic, the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Southern Ocean. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Which is the densest jungle in the world? Gandhar jungle. The Amazon rainforest. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला हा माझा जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर त्याला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, इतर मित्रांना शेअर करायला विसरू नका. अशाच प्रकारचे जी केवर असणारे आणखीन आपण 100 क्वेश्चन सेकंड पार्टमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्वात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे तुम्ही या ठिकाणी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि इतर मित्रांनाही तुमच्या छोट्या छोट्या मित्रांना आणि तुमच्या वयाच्या मित्रांना शेअर करा. If you will share this video to other students, then they will get the lot of knowledge about GK, and you will get also the help of your God and help of your object and your aim. You will get your aim, you will get your success. And so please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share, and please visit my channel in a describing box, and describe the box is very important, and please click on bell icon. Have a nice day, dear students. We will meet in a second video.